Understanding validation criteria, a key to success. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that often surfaces in both our professional and academic lives: validation criteria. Understanding this concept can unlock new levels of success and achievement. So let's get started by exploring what validation criteria really mean and how they apply to various scenarios. Validation criteria refer to the standards or requirements that a project, product, service, or even an idea must meet to be considered acceptable or successful. These criteria serve as a benchmark for assessing quality, effectiveness, and overall value. They can be quantitative, such as specific numbers or metrics, or qualitative, such as user satisfaction or aesthetic appeal. Setting clear validation criteria is crucial for several reasons. First, they provide objective standards for evaluation, reducing ambiguity and subjectivity in decision-making processes. Secondly, they help in setting clear goals and objectives, making it easier for teams to focus their efforts and resources efficiently. Moreover, validation criteria are essential for continuous improvement, as they offer a baseline against which progress can be measured. In education, a course might have validation criteria requiring students to achieve a certain score on exams and assignments to pass. In business, a new product development project may have criteria related to market demand, profitability, and user satisfaction. In technology, software or apps might need to meet performance benchmarks, security standards, and user interface design principles. Developing effective validation criteria involves a few key steps. 1. Understand the goals. Clearly define what success looks like for the project or initiative. 2. Engage stakeholders. Include input from all parties affected by the outcome to ensure the criteria are comprehensive and realistic. 3. Be specific and measurable. Criteria should be clear and quantifiable wherever possible to facilitate objective assessment. 4. Review and adjust. Validation criteria should not be set in stone. Be open to reviewing and adjusting them as needed based on feedback and results. In conclusion, understanding and effectively setting validation criteria can significantly impact the success of any project or endeavor. By establishing clear, measurable, and realistic standards, you can ensure that your efforts are aligned with your objectives, enhancing the chances of achieving your goals. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of validation criteria and how you can apply them in various contexts. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success.